If you are a snowbird, you spend part of the year in a warmer state. You might think it's really easy to determine your residency, and nothing's easy, especially when you're dealing with the government. It's not as easy as it seems. So here's the snow that we're trying to get away from, and here's the bird flying south. Okay, you have to declare your state of residency. You can't ask me, your insurance agent. So you might spend half a year in Florida and half a year in New York. You cut it down the middle. Tell me where you're a resident. Don't ask me. It's not that simple. And beware of fraudulent declarations. If you don't really spend 6 months in Florida and you think you can get away with it, you could end up having a problem not only with the feds and your state, but with your insurance. So we don't want that. So can you be a resident of 2 states? You can. Resident. You can be a resident of 2 states. But then you'd have to pay income tax in 2 states. And you're like, Sylvia, I got that. I'm a resident of New York and Florida. Florida doesn't have income tax. Okay, so you could legally be a resident of 2 states because you meet their requirements. However, as far as I'm concerned, your insurance agent, as far as Medicare is concerned, your Medicare insurance company, Social Security, they want to know your state of legal resident, which is different than residency. So you got to tell me, what's your state of legal residency? That's what your insurance rates are based off of. That's what your Medicare Part D rates are based off of. And a lot of people are wonderfully shocked when they move from New York to Florida and they change their permanent state of legal residency. Go to socialsecurity.gov, change it online, that they will not only have no state income taxes, but that their insurance rates go down dramatically because Medicare insurance is based on your state of legal residence. So make sure you keep your address up to date, correct. And like I said, don't try to be squirrely with it. They will catch you with Social Security. SSA.gov, you can go in there and change that. And the big determiners, make sure whatever you have on file with the IRS matches what you have on file with Social Security. This is my main thing, is you don't ask your insurance agent to tell you what you're a state a resident of. You have to tell us. And if you're not really sure, these are some of the things you can use to help you figure it out. Where do you spend most of your time? You're like, well, I'm exactly 60-60. Okay, where do you own real estate? I own real estate in both states. Where do you vote? Because you can only vote in 1 state, so that's going to help you. Where do you pay taxes? Again, you might pay taxes in more than 1 state. And where is your car titled? So it might come down to where you registered to vote and where you titled your car, since the other things you could have in 2 states. Remember, before you get ready to move, ideally, let's get your insurance changed before you move. So when you land there, you already have your insurance in force. Give us a call. Our family can help you in all 50 states. The MedicareFamily.com. And our services are free.
If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment. If you have a specific question, always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.